Turbo family, hope you guys are having an amazing day, guys. Price of Turbo isn't looking the best, but I am very optimistic on a multi-billion-dollar Turbo along with everybody else that's watching these videos. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. We cover the latest and the greatest crypto content right here, right now on this channel. I post 3 videos every single day, so if you guys are new, you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe, guys. The biggest reason that I cover Turbo every day is because I've been doing so for the past 8-9 months. And honestly, the amount of support and feedback that I get is something that I could never forget. So I'm going to continue doing this regardless of whether the price is very low or the price is at 10 cents. Now, without further ado, I know you guys are excited, so let's hop into today's video. One thing I did want to touch on is, guys, your boy is finally verified over on X. So if you guys could go drop me a follow. You guys can see here, boom, blue check mark. Go drop me a follow over on X. The link will be down below. But yeah, Turbo family, the price of Turbo sitting under 300 million. And for this price, guys, listen, just literally lock in. This is a token that was scratching the surface of $1 billion market cap just a while ago. You getting in sub $300 million market cap is a steal. Like, this is so low. And again, if you guys have dry powder, white powder on the side to throw at the markets, again, only invest what you're comfortable to lose. There's some people that I know that have taken out lines of credit to invest like 40, 50,000. Please don't do that because that is very foolish. You don't want to go into debt to take out money to pay for crypto. Only invest what you're comfortable to lose. And when I say that, it's funds that you've saved up specifically for crypto. You know, you cancel subscriptions, money that you spend on fast food, instead you put into crypto markets, or subscriptions you're canceling. Right? Don't invest money that you've been saving for like your college tuition or for retirement or for your wife's ring, your soon-to-be wife's ring, or stuff like that. Guys, listen, don't be silly. Please make educated decisions. Turbo is still a solid play regardless, so you need to understand this is the crypto market. It's one of the most riskiest markets that are out there. You know, only 3% of people actually make gains in this place. And if you guys are ultra degenerates, right, then you go into like the Solana trenches. And that place, 99% of people are just losing left, right, and center. Only a select handful can actually make money on there. Guys, Turbo has been hammered all the way to 203, and we had a little bit of a recovery. Again, nothing significant. The fear and greed index has been reset all the way. I mean, guys, we were at 38, 39 fear just the other day. In the last year, though, Turbo's still up 1,290%. If you guys have been watching my channel for a super long time, you guys know we were buying it during this era, right? During 304, 305, we had a lot of buy orders coming during that time as well when we started covering Turbo pretty heavily. Also, one thing to note is I did make a huge buy when we hit 208, and yes, that buy right now is looking a little bit sad, guys. I think I bought around somewhere over here in the beginning of December or the latter half of November, guys, and then we did ride it up to 0.014. Honestly, would have just been nice to take profits here, but again, I'm down 50% on that buy order, and I'm not afraid to say it, right? Am I down in my entire portfolio? Absolutely not, because we've been accumulating for a really long time. Turbo, guys, is listed on every single exchange that you could imagine. We're waiting on that Robinhood, that Bybit listing, but regardless, if we get those now or if we get those, you know, in the next couple weeks, it's not going to make too much of a significant impact into the crypto markets because the overall sentiment around crypto right now isn't the most bullish. Like, guys, the only thing that has pumped is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's sitting just shy of 100,000. We know that, you know, Ethereum needs to really pick itself back up. Ethereum is literally under $3,000, which is a massive sell-off for Ethereum as well. I mean, we need Ethereum, guys, to really break over that $4,000 mark for us to see our meme coins, our altcoins really start to fly. Guys, we have not even come close to breaking previous all-time highs. And that, my friends, is a big sign to me that we are not done yet. The bull market has only scratched the tip of the iceberg. 4,700 was the peak in November 2021. And again, in 2025, guys, even if we take a little bit longer than we expected, even if the bull run goes until 2026, I am confident that we are going to have to break 4,700 for Ethereum sooner rather than later. I mean, regardless of when the time frame is, it's not a matter of if it'll happen, it's just a matter of when, in my opinion. Again, such an amazing coin, guys, has amazing tokenomics, listed on literally 120 spot exchanges. Even as the markets have been moving down these last couple of days, we've seen it come out with new listings in various parts of the world, guys. They're listed all over Korea, Australia, places in Africa, countries in Europe, guys. You have obviously everywhere in North America, some place in South America as well, guys, and a lot of place in Asia as well, where you're able to buy Turbo. So, which is another reason as to why I'm confident that this is going to perform really well come the altcoin season. And again, make sure you guys follow them over on X if you have not already, guys. Over 100,000 followers, over 50,000 holders for this thing, and only going to increase very slowly. If the Adam and Eve, shout out Christianity, formation plays out, there's a high possibility it could drop the 3086 level, which will be absolutely terrifying. For this, a weekly close below 2029 would be enough. However, if it bounces from the 2029 region and starts its ascent, I expect it to continue rising towards that 0.036 level. Again, guys, from current levels right now, that is literally almost a 10x. Okay, for us to knock out another zero, for us to get to 3 cents is basically almost a 10x from where we currently are right now. If you guys aren't loading up right now, then I don't know what you're doing. If you were waiting during when Turbo was at a penny and 4, if you guys were like, oh, if only I could load up at lower prices, you usually never do, because when the prices get that low, the sentiment around the coin is never the best. And that's just something you have to come to terms with. Run it back, Turbo. Literally, I miss these prices, guys. Could we get it back up to sub 1 billion? Like, we need to get back to that $1 billion market cap, and we need to shatter that psychological level. One of the biggest reasons we're not able to break past $1 billion is because there's so much sell pressure when a meme coin reaches $1 billion market cap. There's so much of a sell-off. We've seen the same thing happen with Toshi, guys. It rode up just to like 940 million, I believe. And we had some massive sell-offs because people trade psychologically. The same thing would happen if a meme coin were to go to $1 or to $10. You're going to experience massive sell-off in the markets. Hey, Robinhood, it is now time to list Turbo. This isn't just any toad. Turbo has its own chain, is listed on 100 plus exchanges, and is leaping past the competition. Dressed like a true DeFi outlaw, Turbo Toad is ready to bring some real liquidity to Robinhood. Again, a Robinhood listing right now isn't going to make too much of an impact into the markets. Again, it will be bullish overall for crypto, for Turbo as a whole. But as of right now, guys, it's not going to move too much. Not going to make too much of an impact into where the price of Turbo is going to go. Again, long term, I am still very bullish, very confident on the outlook for Turbo. But with that being said, guys, I do just want to say none of these videos that I make is financial advice. So please do not take it as such. With that being said, these videos are only for entertainment and education only. So if you're entertained or you're educated, then hey, I've done my job. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy Ro. God bless you guys. Make sure you stay hydrated, drink water, and yeah, peace out, boys. Take care.